try singing.
Oh no.
Monster! Any luck?
I don't think so.
Let's try cure number 2. Drinking us all.
All right.
Grrr! Monster? Monster! The book says you have to drink the whole glass of bloodbath.
I hope this works. What was that?
Okay, that didn't work.
Max, what do you think you're doing dragging your shit all over the place?
Monster!
Mac, I can't play Monster with you right now. I'm still hiccuping. Louise, come on. We tried
2.
cures, and none of them worked.
And there's only one more.
What is it? I forget.
Monster! Cure number 3. Scare them away.
But how are you going to me if I know you're going to try?